how to fix WhatsApp QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the WhatsApp QR code. So the first way is you have to open the settings and then go to the apps. This is the apps manager page. Now you have to wait a few seconds, scroll all the way down and click on the WhatsApp. After you click on WhatsApp, it will take you to this page. This is the app information as you can see right here. Click on this force stop option, and after that you have to click on the storage. Click on clear cache, go back, click on the open by default option, click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. Now you have to restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, this means that you have a problem in your camera. You should clean it, or you have to actually fix it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.